This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Bill Westhoff. 3-bed 2-bath brick home with 1,539 square feet and an oversized garage ready for quick move-in. Fresh paint and new carpet just installed. Easy online application, credit and background check requires $30 app fee. All adults must apply. Central heat and air, wood-burning fireplace. Convenient location is close to Highway 82, Highway 75, shopping, dining and schools. Fenced yard, storage shed and large covered porch. No pets. $1,500 rent and $1,500 security deposit. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Westhoff at 214-207